Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Here's your daily 5-minute tour update for Bitcoin. I'm still ill, but I'm working here really hard for you. So here are the news and here is the technical analysis for Bitcoin. Let's go, guys. And again, we are starting with CoinMarketCap. What's going on with CoinMarketCap? You can see Bitcoin is going up really nice, 5% in the plus, 51,500. We reached perfect the gap. I told you this yesterday, maybe the gap to the upside or maybe the gap to the downside. This was a perfect hit. Now we have to talk about this. What's going on now? In 7 days, a big minus for Bitcoin, 13% in the minus. You can see the bad red chart picture here. Not nice, not really nice. Ethereum is working better, again, working better as Bitcoin. You can see 7.5% in the plus and only 7% in the minus, Bitcoin 13%. The Binance coin is going up also a little bit, 3.5%, and it's going down 7.3%. Solana, a nice little leg to the upside, 7.4%. I made a nice little Solana price prediction video yesterday. Please watch it. It's really important. 9% in the minus. ADA Cardano is going up also a little bit, 8.5%. Also a ADA Cardano video out there from yesterday. You can watch it on my channel on Bitcoin Trading Informant on YouTube. 11% in the minus, and XRP is going up also 5%, going down 18.7%. Also for XRP, I have a video out there and please watch it, guys. Polkadot, I have a video out there, guys. Please watch it. Also 15% in the plus, 20% in the minus. So what coin is the biggest winner? Bitcoin SV is going up with 48% in 24 hours. Polygon Matic 34%, and Bitcoin Torrent is going up with 34%. The biggest loser, UB token, is one of the coins that are in the red. The most coins here are all green. Look at this. We have only here this only one here with a little red, 1.7%. UB token. All other coins are green. Really nice. In 7 days, the biggest winner, Polygon Matic, 33%, Luna 23%, and BitTorrent 22%, and the biggest loser, Immutable 37%, Qtum is going down 32%, and Rune Chain is going down 30.8%. So we have still extreme fear in the market. You can see 25 points. Yesterday we had 16 points. Guys, you know it. Extreme fear in the market is most times a good time to buy Bitcoin, but not a financial advice. So we are going on with this one here. This is CoinCodex and this is the Bitcoin price prediction. This is telling us for the next days, okay, we are now on 51,500. We are going down again, maybe 47,000, and after this 51,600 again. So a sideways going Bitcoin is predicting us here. This stuff here from CoinCodex, and you can see we are in an extreme fear. Yes, we are here, if you can see this here, neutral, but the most things are bullish, 59% bullish and 41% bearish, and this depends of all of this SMA, EMA, and so on and so on, and here the oscillators, moving averages, RSI, and so on. Really interesting, this side here. You can see here also Bitcoin price levels, the resistance, the support points, and so on. I find it relative, really interesting here. So the next thing is TradingView. TradingView is telling us on the daily we should sell Bitcoin. On the 4 hours, we should be neutral as the Switzerland. Interesting. The 2 hours are telling us yes, buy that Bitcoin. And the 1 hour, buy that Bitcoin. So better as yesterday, 1 and 2 hour we have a buy, 4 hours neutral, and along the daily is telling us we should sell our Bitcoin. The Bitcoin dominance is going down. We are red here. Yes, we are still going down. You can see it here. And we have here a big resistance over 42%. And you can see it here. Maybe we built here a little bottom here. Maybe. And you can see if we are going out here more and more and more. What can we see? We are in a really big red downtrend. This is a 4-hour time frame. And what can we see? This blue line here is now our support for the dominance. So is this support is holding? This is the big question now, guys. And if it will hold, we may see the next Bitcoin run up to the upside. But for the moment, it's better to trade altcoins as Bitcoin. What is telling us the candlestick pattern? The candlestick pattern on the weekly is telling us this one here, the 3 outside down, bearish with a high reliability. It's a really bad picture here for the weekly. It's also similar to the 3 black crows. They are also here. So we have a lot of bearish stuff here if we are watching the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see this one here. A 3 inside up, a bullish reversal with a high reliability. Yes, we saw a bad spike to the downside after this nice pattern, and this is on the short time frame a nice bullish pattern. So remember, guys, Weekly time frame, we have a bearish pattern. Daily time frame, we have a bullish pattern. 5-hour time frame, we have here some things to watch now. We saw a nice little leg to the upside. Now we have here, look at this, advanced block, bearish reversal pattern, and we have here also a doji star, this one here. The doji star is for the most times a sign for a trend reversal. So a bearish pattern, a lot of bearish patterns here if you're watching the 5-hour time frames. Now let's go into this picture, and guys, exactly as predicted yesterday, we saw here the big fight with the middle line. I told you guys, if we will see the fight with the middle line, we have a possibility to go up and fill the gap. I told you yesterday on my video, please guys, watch the gap. We have an open gap at 51,500, and yes, we filled it perfect. But we have also an open gap here since long time, since July, and you are watching this since long time. And you know it, guys, these gaps will fill sooner or later. And you can see 34,500 is still a big gap to fill here. Also here, this is a gap, but we filled it with this back to the downside. But we have here a really bad gap here, and we need to watch this in the future, guys. The Bitcoin futures, you know it, guys. These are the gaps, and this is the next thing. Yes, we filled 51,500. So back to this picture here. Let's start now with this one. I told you we had yesterday a nice pivot support point here on the downside. If we can use this as support, we will go up here maybe more and more. And yes, it was like this. We could hold this support here, and we went not down like this arrow here. We went up from here. So we can remove this stuff here, and we're going up now. The next big thing is, guys, if we are watching the Fibonacci lines, we have now 53,500 as next big resistance, because here's the next big Fibonacci line. One thing we can make also, guys, if you're zooming out and out and out more, I told you this one, attention, maybe we are buying now the right shoulder. It's possible, and you can see it. Yes, we are going up here, we're going up here. But guys, it's possible we are going up really straight. You can see it here with a lot of volume. It's possible to go down here again, and then to the next side, to the upside. So remember this big picture, the shoulder pattern with the trend line. And if this will break out to the downside, we have a lot of bad things to watch, guys. Okay, that's this stuff. Now let's remove all drawings. Let me show you what's going on for the moment. And this is also really important, guys. We have a trend line. The old trend line was a long way support here from the downside. Let me show you. Please use the lines. Thank you very much. Let me show you this line here to the upside. It was long time a support. Guys, if we are using these lines for the future, it's really interesting. We are now back again and retesting this support. It is now our big resistance. So that's the big thing why we are fighting here for the moment. We are fighting on the big long time support. Can we fight back? Can we fight back? Yes or no? That's the big question. It's now the retest, and it's now really dangerous. It's now not the best time to make a long position. It's a good time if you are not in a long position. I hope you are in a long position here from this point. But if you're not in a long position, it's a good place to wait here. If we can fight back this line here, the resistance. If we can see a confirmed closing candle 1 hour better, 4 hour, this would be better. That this line would be the next support. This is maybe then the next nice long position. But guys, attention. You know it. We are in a bad downtrend here. This is the bad downtrend. It's looking like this. Yes, we are over the middle line. We are fighting with this line. And here, if we can move on here, 55,500 is the next big resistance because of the bad downtrend. And this is only this stuff, not watching at the Fibonacci and so on and so on. So what is telling us the EMA ribbon band? The EMA ribbon band on the 4-hour time frame is now also our big resistance here. Look at this. We are fighting with the ribbon band here. And as long as we are not over the ribbon band, we have a red bearish ribbon band. And here is the yellow line also on this. 56,700, EMA 200, big resistance. And the last point here from the ribbon band, also big resistance, 52,700. So a lot of resistance now over our heads. We need to watch it, and it's not the best time to go in here in Bitcoin, in my opinion. Okay, let's move on in the 1-hour time frame. What is telling us this one? And the 1-hour time frame is telling us here we are back over the ribbon band. We have a long signal here because of the changing ribbon band from red into the green one. We are again over it. We saw a little retest. We are again moving to the upside, 51,800. Nice. And here it comes. our EMA 200. If you're watching the 1 hour time frame, the EMA 200 is our big resistance here, 52,500 maybe. We need to watch it, and the big red line, also big resistance here on the moment, 51,800. So guys, you can see it. We have a lot of resistance here. We need to fight back these things, and then maybe we can break out more and more. Maybe. I hope. Here, if we are making some lines here, this is a support line, a green one from the downside. And here, if we are making some lines here from this point, let me show you from this point. Yeah, thanks. To this point, it's a broadening wedge. You can see it here. It's also a big resistance line. So yes, a lot of resistance lines here, guys. Maybe we are going up from here. Maybe we are going down from here. Maybe we are fighting back here. And maybe then we can fight back. We can fight back. We can fight back. We can fight back. We will see, guys. We will see. Maybe we're buying the red shorter. This would be a nice thing. A next leg to the upside. We need to watch it, guys. But I'm not so ultra bullish for the moment. I'm watching what's going on with this resistance system. Guys, that's the new update from the day. I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions with your trades. Guys, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs to the upside. If you like it, please leave me a comment. It would be very nice for a comment. And I hope we see us tomorrow. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye, guys.